Importance of a company information. See, many of the candidate while attending an interview, if the interviewer asks the candidate, can you tell about the company or company details? Most of the candidates fail to answer those questions because they are not prepared on the company details or they never gone through the company website. Why it is important to go through the company website or company information before attending an interview? It's beneficial for both company and the candidate. For the company, it's benefited for if the they what type of candidate they are looking, the candidate which they are looking is right fit for them, whether the person is really interested on the company. Because if we gone through the company details, it's give the good impression on the candidate, the person who is looking or who is hiring for the company role is really fit or interested on the particular role. For the candidate, if they gone through the company profile, they may get to know whatever company product, how the company is growing, what's the revenue, how is the company infrastructure, company management, and they can go through the Google review, how is the company culture. It's really help to understand the company details or the company information, whether the particular candidate or the person who is applying to the job, whether is there any potential opportunities there to grow or improve in their skills or in their position. They can get a good hike or good improvement in the position. It's really beneficial, and he is going to search or adjust to the new environment. But if the environment is not good, if we join for the new company, maybe another 1 year or 6 months, he has to search for another job. Instead of doing those things, please go through the company website and understand the company requirement, company growth, team size, and coordination. You can get to know. So do it before attending an interview, so it's better for both candidate and the company. Thank you. So if this message benefit for you, please share with your group and subscribe to my channels and follow me on my social media profile. Thank you.